Life, in all its complexity, relies on a delicate balance of intricate processes. At the heart of these processes are proteins, the workhorses of our cells. Just like a house needs bricks and mortar, our bodies rely on proteins. They are the building blocks of our muscles, bones, skin, and even our hair. Proteins are essential for virtually every function in our bodies. They transport oxygen throughout our bloodstream, fight off harmful invaders like viruses and bacteria, and help us digest our food. Without proteins, life as we know it would cease to exist. How are proteins produced in our body? Let's imagine a single cell, the smallest unit of life. Inside this bustling microscopic world, proteins are constantly being produced, transported, and put to work. But where do these vital molecules come from? The answer lies deep within the heart of the cell, encoded within the DNA. DNA serves as the central blueprint for life, orchestrating a continuous cycle of protein production and utilization that drives the complex machinery of our bodies. Join me as we delve deeper into this fascinating world and discover the secrets of protein synthesis. Deep within every cell lies DNA. Imagine DNA as a vast library filled with countless instruction manuals. Each manual holds the instructions for building a specific protein. These instructions are written in a genetic code, a language our cells can understand. However, the DNA molecule is far too large and precious to leave its protected home within the cell's nucleus. This is where RNA comes in, acting like a messenger. RNA polymerase synthesizes a complementary RNA strand using one of the DNA strands as a template. This process, called transcription, incorporates free nucleotides to produce messenger RNA or mRNA. Then the mRNA moves from the nucleus to ribosomes in the cytoplasm where proteins are synthesized. Remember, ribosomes are synthesized in the nucleolus. After assembly, they are transported from nucleus into the cytoplasm as well, where they interact with the mRNA. During translation, ribosomes decode mRNA to synthesize polypeptide chains, which subsequently fold into functional proteins. Think of it like this. DNA holds the master recipe book safely stored in the library. mRNA takes a photocopy of the specific recipe you need and brings it to the kitchen, the ribosomes. This process of copying DNA instructions into mRNA is called transcription. It is the first crucial step in the journey from genetic information to a fully functional protein. Now that the mRNA molecule carries the instructions from the DNA, it needs somewhere to build the protein. As mentioned, this place is called ribosome. Ribosomes are like skilled construction workers who can read the mRNA blueprints and assemble the building blocks of proteins known as amino acids in the correct order. The mRNA molecule passes through the ribosome like a tape measure through a carpenter's hands. Translation begins when a ribosome binds to an mRNA's start codon or AUG. A tRNA with the complementary anticodon pairs with this codon, bringing the corresponding amino acid into position. As the ribosome moves along the mRNA, each codon is matched with the appropriate tRNA anticodon, ensuring the correct sequence of amino acids is added to the growing chain. Upon encountering a stop codon on the mRNA, the ribosome halts translation and releases the newly synthesized polypeptide chain. This chain then undergoes folding and potential post-translational modifications to become a functional protein. The ribosome carefully strings the amino acids together following the precise order dictated by the mRNA blueprint. The resulting chain of amino acids then folds into a specific three-dimensional shape, giving the protein its unique function. The intricate dance between DNA, RNA, and ribosomes ensures a constant supply of the proteins our bodies need to function correctly. Once assembled, proteins are put to work in a dazzling array of tasks. They are the architects of our cells, building and repairing tissues, transporting molecules, and facilitating chemical reactions. Some proteins, like collagen, provide structural support to our skin, bones, and tendons. Others, like hemoglobin, act as transporters, carrying oxygen throughout our bodies. Enzymes, a special type of protein, act as catalysts, speeding up chemical reactions. They are essential for digestion, breaking down the food we eat into smaller molecules our bodies can absorb. Antibodies, another vital group of proteins, make up our immune system, defending us against harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. Consider the simple act of lifting a finger. This action requires the coordinated effort of numerous proteins. Actin and myosin, two proteins found in muscle cells, interact to generate the force needed for muscle contraction. The human body is a testament to the versatility and importance of proteins. From the largest organs to the smallest cells, proteins are the workhorses that keep us alive and functioning. Understanding how our bodies produce and utilize proteins is key to comprehending the very essence of life itself.